Is ChatGPT going to replace software engineers? Exploring the latest trends in conversational AI, we see the rapid emergence of OpenAI's ChatGPT. With its coherent responses and vast data handling, ChatGPT has impressed millions across the globe. Elon Musk and other experts have expressed excitement and caution about the potential of ChatGPT. ChatGPT has shown some inconsistencies, such as emotional responses in Microsoft's Bing search engine. Google's AI tool, Google Bard, faced a setback due to a promotional error, causing a dip in investor confidence. Meanwhile, Meta is developing its own version of conversational AI for platforms like Facebook and Instagram. OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman, emphasizes the importance of unveiling these AI tools, even if imperfect, to allow time for regulation and institutional adaptation. ChatGPT is currently at the peak of inflated expectations in the hype cycle of new technology, with its limitations becoming more evident. ChatGPT is not only a conversational tool, but also supports various coding languages. Developers use ChatGPT to suggest code snippets and fix bugs. ChatGPT acts like a developer's assistant, streamlining work by bringing together multiple sources of information. However, it's not expected to replace professional developers. ChatGPT's rise mirrors the low-code/no-code movement, allowing non-tech-savvy individuals to create simple apps. Despite this, it can't replace skilled developers who understand specific business needs. ChatGPT has limitations, including difficulty in handling complex information and lack of foresight for long-term business needs. Rashmi Gupta, partner at IBM, points out that although ChatGPT is promising, it's still in its prototype phase. IBM's Watson, for instance, is integrated into enterprise systems and delivers real-time insights. The rise of AI tools like ChatGPT could potentially alleviate the current tech talent shortage by automating basic tasks, allowing developers to focus on higher-value work. In conclusion, AI tools like ChatGPT are making waves in the tech industry. They hold great promise, but their limitations underline the continued need for skilled software developers.